Hi, hello and welcome to my channel DivaMode. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, this is Divya and I make beauty and personal care related videos over here. And if you're interested in such topics, do subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified when my next video is up. Well, today in this video, I'm going to unbox the Real Techniques eyeshadow brushes and I'm going to use these brushes for a very simple eye makeup look today in this video. So let's get started. Well, these are the Real Techniques Everyday Eye Essentials eyeshadow brushes. They come in a set of 8. I've been using pack brushes so far and they've been working really well. But I heard about these eyeshadow brushes from Real Techniques are really good. So I wanted to try out how they work on my skin. So that's the reason I got this. So basically in this brush set they have provided us all the brushes that we would need to create a flawless eye makeup look, which includes the eyeliner brush, the crease brush, the eyeshadow brush, the mascara separator. It's like they basically have every sized eyeshadow brush over here. The brush itself feels pretty sturdy actually because I got this for a very affordable price. It was on discount on Amazon and I got it for like around 1500 Indian rupees. So for that I think it's really good. So the first brush I'm gonna use today is this Real Technique brush 308. It has a flat and kind of tapered bristle, so I'm gonna use this to blend my concealer today. Feels pretty soft, but it's not as dense as the brush that I used from pack. So the next brush I'm gonna use today is this Defining Crease brush 304. It actually has ultra tapered bristles, so it's perfect for defining the crease. Well, today I'm going to use the Sand Haze palette from Huda Beauty to do my eye makeup. So to define my crease, I'm going to use this nude peachy brown shade. So I've defined my crease. One thing I observed right now is that these bristles are not dense enough for me personally because I've been using the pack brushes and they're very dense. So the thing is, if I apply a little bit of pressure to the brush just goes like this. It just goes upwards and it feels not right. So maybe I have to get used to this brush or I don't know what. Well, the next step is to apply the eyeshadow on my eyelid. According to this, what they have mentioned is to use this brush 308 to apply the eyeshadow on the eyelids, but I feel it's pretty big to apply the eyeshadows. So look how big it's gonna look. I mean, like, it's gonna cover the entire eyelid right from my lashes till my eyebrows. That's how big this brush is. So I'm gonna use the other brush, which is the Smudge Brush 332. I feel I can use this brush to apply the eyeshadow on my eyelid. See the size? It's pretty. I mean, it's not very small, but yeah, it is small to apply the eyeshadows. But I have no other option. I have to use this. So I'm going in for a darker shade to apply to my entire eyelids. This brush definitely does pick up the product well, but I feel it's just a little small for my preference. Look at the intensity. It really picks up the products really well. It's like it's almost the same color. So now I'm going to use this Essential Crease brush 308 to blend the entire eyeshadow to my crease. This brush is definitely doing its job really well. It has beautifully blended the entire eyeshadow to the crease area. Well, now I'm gonna use the same brush 332, the Smudge Brush, to apply the eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to create a halo kind of effect, and for that I'm going to use this brush 307. This is a shading brush. So for creating that halo effect, I'm going to go in with this gold shade. So this is how the look has turned out until now. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye as well, and then I'll come back. Next, moving on to the eyeliner, we have two brushes over here. Well, the first one is the fine liner brush 311. It has a finely tapered bristle. And the second one is the brush 313. It's the definer brush. It has an angled cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 313 for my upper lash line and this 311 for my lower lash line. So I'm pretty much done with my eye makeup look. Now we're finally moving on to the mascara. So for this I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Lengthening Mascara. So the final brush that we're going to use is this brush 312. It's a lash separator. It has a metal comb which separates the lashes. So this is used to separate these lashes after applying the mascara, and this is such a wonderful thing. So I finally created this beautiful eyeshadow look with just these 8 brushes from the Real Techniques. They work really well, except for one thing that I felt like they could have included another eyeshadow brush to like wherein we can apply the eyeshadows on the eyelid, because what they have provided is this brush. This is the 308 brush, and I felt this was like really big for my eye size. They could have included a smaller version of this brush, and instead they could have reduced a brush because for the crease area they had given like 2 brushes. Instead they could have just removed one brush and they could have included the other brush that I had asked for. Other than that, I think these brushes work really well for the budget. I really think they do the justice. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful and useful too. If you really like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, do leave the comments below. I'll definitely get back to you guys. Well, I'll catch you all guys soon in another instant video. Until then, take care and bye.